Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having Westpoint brand refrigerator. It is liter 200 refrigerant 600a R600a, that's mean butane. It is I'm showing from this video. It is, you have to be careful because this type of gas, it is flammable. Most probably our new technicians who's working in this our field, but they doesn't have any idea, they don't know how to do this job, because I know very well. Most probably here in I'm working in this country, I heard one of technician without any knowledge, he tried to replace the compressor for the R600a, and he burned his face and everywhere because of the flammable gas. He removed with the welding gun. This is the compressor. It is flammable compressor R600a. That's mean if you having any idea, you know it is butane. Actually it is same like LPO gas, it will burn, it's flammable. Before replacing compressor, this compressor already gone. Before replacing compressor, you have to cut the charging valve using any plier. You have to remove we have to remove the gas first here. After that only we can disconnect discharge line and suction line. After that only we have to remove the compressor. I will show you what will happen. It is careful, we have to do that because of now I already cut this one. I'm going to cut the charging point. Now gas will come. Yeah, I already cut. Now you can see what will happen. See, this is flammable gas. Be careful, my dear friends, while you going to work in this field. I remove slowly. This one I want to show because of that I'm doing here. Very careful, you have to do this job. If you don't have any idea, before do the job, just ask from somebody else. This is very dangerous. Be careful, my dear friends. Again I'm telling, don't use the welding lamp for the removing charging point or any other pipe. It's very dangerous. You can see now the gas slowly going out. Now I have to show, because of that I'm doing this one. Nothing to worry because I having all the instrument in my workshop, and fire extinguisher here, 2 fire extinguisher, fire hose, everything I having. Because of that I'm don't worry. And also here I having fire alarm also, and that's why I want to show this. That's why I'm doing this job. Very careful. Don't use anyway, you don't use the lamp, welding lamp. It is very dangerous. Now I remove very slowly charging point. Now gas going out. Too much gas inside actually. This compressor, anyway compressor gone. That's why I'm going to replace the compressor. I want to show you what will happen if you are doing like this. Very, very dangerous actually. Without any knowledge, don't do this job, please. This is my advice. Now still having gas going slowly. Now if I'm blowing from my mouth, it will stop like this. I can see slowly going. I want to show you, because of that only I'm trying to show this one. That's why I did it like that. Anyway, be careful while you doing this job. Again I'm telling to you, I will show you again. See, still gas. you have to think about that. If without our knowledge, if we are going to replace the compressor, we will remove definitely by the welding lamp, gas lamp. While we are going to remove the charging point or suction discharge any pipe, it will burn your face everywhere. It is very dangerous, very harmful. Be careful while you doing this job. This is actually new refrigerator. This is Westpoint brand. Also, this refrigerator inside seal type. It's new actually, but only completed 1 year. The compressor already gone. Compressor taking high ampere actually. That's why I decided to replace the compressor. Now still I'm thinking, still having gas. See, still having gas. Still I cannot use the gas lamp to remove the charging point. No need to remove the charging point actually, because I'm going to throw this one already defect, this compressor. Before doing the job, you have to think, you have to read properly what is the gas 134 22 401, what is the gas. After that only you have to decide what I can do. Now our technicians are doing this compressor, replacing 134. Also we have to think about the capillary, because this gas not much pressure like 134. Because of that they modify the capillary. If we are going to replace the compressor 134, we can use without any problem, but some cooling effect will come because of the capillary length is very short. Now still I cannot remove the compressor using welding lamp. Because of that, what I am going to do now, and I will make big expand the hose. The gas will go all. Still having. Now I am going to use lamp, welding lamp, to remove the. I will remove this one because now no more gas. Because of that, now almost gas finished. See, before removing, you have to remove all the gas. If you having vacuum cleaner, the vacuum pump, it's better to vacuum also. Otherwise, it's very dangerous. Very careful. You have to do this job. Still having some gas. Now I'm going to remove the discharge line, but it's still having gas. Still having, and I'm going to remove. I'm going to remove the suction line also. Yes, huh? Because I'm not finished compressor. Again, my dear friends, I have to tell you, please be careful while you are doing your job. We have to think about ourselves, safety first. Because of that, I am telling again, don't do this job without, if you don't have any knowledge. And now I'm going to remove the compressor and I'm going to replace another compressor. I have to show in this video only this one, because most probably I know without our technicians are doing the mistake, careless mistake also sometime. Because of that only I'm telling again, if you don't have any idea, don't do this job. This is recently actually 600a butane came. Most customers also doesn't have any idea about this, but customer, as a technician, we have to improve our knowledge. What are the new items coming to the market? Now I'm going to replace the new compressor, but I'm not going to show that one because I have to explain to you and I have to advise. As a senior technician, I have to advise our students. Because of that only I show this video. And thanks again watching my channel. Again, I'm requesting, don't do this job. You have to think about yourself, everything. This is, if anything happen to us, after that no need to worry. We have to suffer if unfortunately it's happening something. And thanks for watching my channel again. Have a nice day.